Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. If you are completely new at makeup or if you're seasoned and experienced, doesn't matter which end of the spectrum you're at, this makeup look is like easy, fun, spring, summer makeup look that you can have. And you can wear it during the day or in the evening. That is completely up to you. But let's create this makeup look, so let's get into the video. But today I want to be using two different eyeshadow palettes, and the first one that I will go in with is the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and it is Venus, which is this shade right here. And do you see it? The very bright pink right here. Then I want to take a big fluffy brush like so, and the other end, which is a flat brush, because I want to place this eyeshadow in the outer corner up into the crease and then on the lower lashes about halfway, or maybe a little bit more depending on what I feel like looks best in the moment. So let's get to it. The next color is Next the Ultimate. I know that's bright, and I want to go in with this green shade right here. I don't know if you can see it. This right here. I want to use my finger to apply it right here. Maybe go in with a flat brush, the one that I used to go underneath here. I just wiped off any excess, and I would use the same flat brush to put the green right here, just so that it's a more cohesive look. I'm just going to take the fluffy brush from before without product and just gently go right here and just underneath as well to blend it quite nicely. And then I just want to curl my lashes. Then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this. And I'm putting mascara on my upper lashes only, but you can do on your lower if you look good with that. I just prefer only on my upper lashes for most of the time. Then I'm going to take just a normal twist up eyeliner that looks like this. It doesn't have a brand name. And I'm just going to put some eyeliner on my waterline, on my upper lashes in the outer half. Maybe a little over the middle, but I usually go by feel. This is a great thing to do if you want to give the appearance of having false lashes on without actually having false lashes on. Now, this will not do anything for the length of your lashes or the way they appear longer, because this will just add to the thickness of your lashes. It will make them look fuller. So if that is your goal and you don't want to put on false lashes, or you don't know how, just putting some on the outer half of your upper waterline is going to help with that. I say the outer half because if you are like me, if I put it all the way in the inner corner, it tends to transfer down and then it just ruins the whole look. So I like to just keep it in the outer corner, and that usually is okay. Then I want to move on to my lips, and I'm taking the W70 All-Rounder in the shade Fling, which is this one right here, and just going to line my lips. Then I'm taking the Ultra Matte Smooth Matte Lip Cream from Glow Makeup in this shade and color right here. And this is the Hot Pink. I don't really care for matte lips, so I'm going to take my Isadora Lip Gloss, and this is the shade 51 Pearl Nougat. I don't know anything more about it because the lettering has faded completely, so I just know it's Isadora, and I can read on the back it says the 51 Pearly Nougat. And then I'm just finishing off with some setting spray, and I'm taking the W7, the Vitamin C Fixer that looks like this. If you can even see that. And here you have it, a easy, fun, flirty summer spring makeup look. And it's so easy to do because it is really hard to mess up when you're using a big fluffy brush and your fingers. I think those are the messiest things that you could be working with. There's no need for precision at all. And to create this makeup look. Now, I absolutely love this lip combo because, first of all, I love pop of pink. Like, hot pink is one of my favorite colors. But also, the lip gloss adds warmth into the color that is kind of cool, because the actual lip color is cool, but putting the gloss on top makes it a warmer pink, which goes more with my complexion and the pink that we put up here to begin with, making it more cohesive. And so that is everything I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank everybody that likes, comments, shares, and subscribes to my videos and my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to our corner of YouTube, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!